Welcome back. Now, one of the ways that you can secure your downloads is to use a plugin for WordPress, and we are going to find that plugin by going to our Add Plugins area, and then we are going to search by writing in S3 Secure Downloads. And the first result you're going to see is going to be called Easy Digital Downloads. You're going to click Install Now. Once you do that, you'll then click Activate. Then you'll be able to go in the left side menu. You'll then see a menu for downloads. You're then going to click Add New. We're going to write the name of our download here. And then we're going to set some parameters for our download. For example, if our download is going to cost something, we're going to write the price in here. And we are going to write in where we want our file to come from. And this is going to help us with S3 because by using this download facility, that means then that people will not be able to guess at the URL, and they'll get a specific button where they can download the file that we're going to be giving them. So we're going to grab our file. We're going to grab the web URL. We're going to click Copy to Clipboard. Then we're going to click Close. Then we're going to name our file. We're then going to place our file URL. And then we're going to click Add New File. Once we have our file in place, we're then going to click Publish. Once we have our file published, we're then going to click View Download. And then we have our download page. So we're going to test this as if we were a customer. So we're going to click the free purchase button. We're then going to click the checkout, and we're going to process the free download. And now that we have the receipt page, what we're going to do is hover over this link, and what you'll notice is that the link at the bottom left does not reflect the Amazon S3 link. It reflects a link on our page, which is what we want. That means then that no one will be able to guess as to the location of the actual download. So we're going to click Overview Video, and our download appears. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.